Inside the engine, there is a discrete component called the hydraulic lifter, or valve lifter. Without it, the engine would suffer power loss, weak performance, and even stalling. To understand how it works, we first need to recall how valves operate. Each cylinder has intake and exhaust valves. During the cycle, the intake valve opens and the piston moves down, allowing the air-fuel mixture to enter. Then it closes and the piston moves up, compressing the mixture. The spark plug ignites it. Combustion occurs, the gases expand, pushing the piston down, and finally, the exhaust valve opens to release the burnt gases. That's the four-stroke cycle, but how do the valves open and close? This happens thanks to the camshaft, connected to the crankshaft through the timing chain. Every 2 rotations of the crankshaft equal 1 rotation of the camshaft, which makes the valves open and close at precise moments. The problem is that the engine reaches very high temperatures, causing the valve components to expand. To compensate, a small clearance is left between the cam and the lifter. If the clearance is too large, the valve won't open enough, reducing intake and exhaust, leading to loss of power. If too small, the valve won't close properly, causing leaks and higher fuel consumption. This is where the hydraulic lifter comes in. It has a small hole through which engine oil enters. Inside, there's a chamber and a piston, separated by a one-way valve made of a ball, a spring, and a seat. When the engine starts cold, oil flows into the lifter, filling both the low-pressure and high-pressure chambers until equilibrium is reached. Once full of oil, which is nearly incompressible, the whole assembly acts as a solid unit. If there's clearance between the cam and the lifter, the piston moves upward inside the lifter, automatically eliminating the gap. As the valve heats up and expands, reducing clearance, the cam pushes on the lifter, forcing out a small amount of oil through the gap between piston and cylinder, creating the exact clearance again. New oil then replenishes the chamber, maintaining pressure balance. This process repeats continuously with every engine rotation. In this way, the hydraulic lifter automatically adjusts valve clearance, ensuring proper opening and closing of the valves and stable engine performance.